The Corporate Transparency Act is unconstitutional. Judge Burks, the United States District Court Judge, Northern District of Alabama, issued that ruling on March 1st, 2024, saying that Congress overstepped their bounds in requiring certain information of small business owners be disclosed to the Financial Crimes Division of the United States Treasury. Similar to a police officer pulling you over and asking to search your car for no reason, Congress was asking for private information about beneficial owners of a small business without having any reason to believe that there were illicit activities, tax evasion, or any other impropriety going on. Judge Burks recognized that and declared it to be unconstitutional. At issue were the First, Fourth, Fifth, Ninth, and 10th Amendments. The judge, in issuing a ruling, said that the powers granted to Congress, namely the Foreign Affairs, the Commerce Clause, and even the taxing authority, are not sufficient to enable them to work around the rights that are expressed in the Constitution for small business owners. As such, the U.S. Treasury is enjoined or prevented from going after the particular plaintiff. The Corporate Transparency Act requires all small businesses to report on anyone who has a beneficial interest in the company. This is any person or entity that owns 5% or more of a small business. Now, what's a small business? If it does less than $5 million in revenue and has less than 20 full-time employees. That means more than 32 million entities are affected by this ruling. The deadline for filing determines on when the company was created. If your company was created before January 1st of 2024, you have until the end of 2024 to file this report. If your company was created after January 1st of 2024, you have 90 days in which to respond. The law also says that if you start your company after January 1st of next year, i.e. 2025, then you only have 30 days in which to respond. The reason it's important to respond is the penalties are really severe if you don't. Up to $500 a day for failing to file, to a maximum of $10,000, and up to 2 years in prison. There are new federal reporting requirements for beneficial owners of small businesses. If you're not sure whether you need to report or not, feel free to contact us below for a free handout that will allow you to easily see whether you need to comply with this law or not. Does your company need to report? Who are your company's beneficial owners? Should your company report a company applicant? What information should your company report? When does your company need to report? And the penalties for failure to report, and where do you find more information, are all included on this free handout. If you're a small business owner or you advise small business owners and want to stay up to date on legal matters affecting your business, subscribe to our channel below.